Hi, how are you doing today? Today we're going to draw an easy tree. Let's start it. From here, we draw a line and a straight line to the ground. Then we draw another line. Another branch coming up here. And to this way. We connect it like this. Then we draw some leaves like this. There are lots of leaves out there. This is the easiest way of drawing a tree. Just do little detailing at the bottom. It doesn't require much, very little detailing. Let's make the branches visible. We can put cross hatch for more visibility. The tree looks good, right? We need to learn this basic drawing because when you do the scenery drawing, then we'll use this kind of tree in the drawing too. Let's put some grasses on the ground. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends and family members and do the practice and practice. Thank you so much. Have a good day.